See, I am Dr. S.S. Kesharwani. I am a technical advisor in Advanced Bio Agrotech Limited. Now, this Advanced Bio Agrotech Limited, it is in the group of companies. This actually started by Mr. O.P. Singh, who was the chief executive in VHL Group, and he is the managing director of the company. And we had a wide range of product. Our main specialty is the enzyme. We manufacture all the pure enzymes which are required in the poultry industry, which are concerned with the nutrient absorption. And also these enzymes are purely made in our country only, and our main effects of these enzymes are on the economics in the poultry industry, especially enzymes like protease, amylase, hyalinase, pectinase, galactosidase, glucanase, phytase. These are the pure enzymes we are manufacturing, and we also manufacture the multi-enzyme formulations which are very much required in the poultry, and they help to economize the feed cost of the feed also, and they are highly result oriented product. Almost a farmer can save a lot of money by reducing the cost of feed with this, and even there are certain disease problems are also solved. We are working on the research as far as immunity is also concerned. We also manufacture with our fermentation technology on the protein peptides. These protein peptides help to build up the immunity, and we have a specialty in the manufacturing of the protein peptides. And these peptides are fermented and bioactivated, and they become highly digestible even in the small chicks also, which where the digestion of protein is very difficult. Our focus is on the immunity also, our focus is on the pure enzymes, and our focus is on the proteins. And we are the people who have also concerned. Hue Pharma is our another part of the group, who are the basic manufacturer of all the antibiotics, coccidiostats. We have the mastery. We manufacture the CRD protection products like tiamulin, then tilmicocin, then tylosine, even the coccidiostats like monansin, like selinomycin, like clopidol, and flavomycin is our antibiotic growth promoter product. So these are our focus is in the poultry industry. That poultry industry should progress more and more with a better coverage, because the main problem in poultry industry is, first thing is the nutrition, where you require where enzymology has a very vital role. Second thing is the life of the bird, where immunology has a very vital role. And the third thing is the CRD and certain other diseases like salmonella and necrotic enteritis. So we are focusing with all these products on all these on proper coverage, and that gives us a room for the further research, and also we can progress towards the for the growth of the poultry industry. See, we have got several locations. It is in Nashik near Sinnar. Sinnar near Nashik, we have the manufacturing fermentation plant, and another is at near Indore also. Then one more plant we have is at Bombay, and Hue Pharma operation is in Bulgaria, where it is main, and they have got more than about 16 countries where their manufacturing units of Hue Pharma, manufacturing plants are there of Hue Pharma. And in Indian operation, we are controlling the Southeast Asian operation. That is why it is known as Hue C Limited. That is Hue Southeast Asia organization.